as you enter the front door, this is what you are going to see. And it is a very small cabin, but I am not afraid of a challenge, and I can assure you guys this is going to be the coziest cabin you have ever seen. Okay, so if I pan to my right, you will be seeing our kitchen nook and our kitchen. So let's go to our kitchen nook. Before I go in, I'm going to pan to my right and step back a bit. And this is our kitchen nook. And that is the front door. Okay, so I'm going to go in a little closer. So the table, we will be replacing that with an island. The stools will be going on the opposite side where the white chair is facing me. Alright, so I backed up as much as I can just to give you a better view of the kitchen. And the kitchen is going to be completely gutted. And I will go in for a closer look. Okay, so where you see we have this microwave on this cart, we are going to be putting the refrigerator right here at this corner. And then we're going to have like a cupboard for baking sheets, just to divide the refrigerator and the stove. It is going to be really cute, guys, when it is all done. And that is the stairs to go up to the second floor. So now you're looking at our fireplace, and this fireplace heats up the whole house in the winter. And this fireplace will also be getting a makeover. The pieces on the mantle, I've collected those as well since I've been here. So as I pan to my right, I'm going to step back and we're going to address the big elephant in the room, and that is this dresser. So I'm going to be using this dresser as my entryway table. We picked up this set from So I've decided to paint this dresser slash entryway table black. Originally I was thinking of chalk painting it white, but then I realized that we're going to be putting the wainscoting on the walls, and painting it black would give it that nice pop. And all the drawers are pretty much filled with items that I've already picked up since we've been here, and I will be sharing them with you as I begin to style them. And there are also lots of DIYs coming up, guys. I thought the scale of this dresser was just perfect for this wall. Originally I wanted to have like a built-in bookshelves for this wall, but in reality time is not on our side, so this was the next option. And the lamp you're looking at also came from the same antique shop, and she was asking $35 for it, and I said no way, so she decided to give it to me for $25. So this is also going to be a DIY. All right, so as I move forward, what you're looking at here on the ground is some bifold doors, and this is going to be our first little DIY project, and I'm going to be showing you where we will be putting them. And I do apologize for the lighting over here, it is not very good, but we will be installing better lighting. Okay, so as I move up and bear to my left, this is where we're going to be putting those bifold doors. So this is like right behind the fireplace, under the stairwell. So this is going to be our coat closet. All right, so as I pan around to my right, I will be showing you the bathroom downstairs, which is right opposite the coat closet. A pretty decent size bathroom, and it will work for us. And that is some storage there. Again, some boxes still not unpacked, just a few things. No organization yet, guys. And as you will know, that is expected. I'm thinking of maybe putting a drop cloth curtain here. It's just a thought. And that's it, guys. And this is actually a tub, but of course everything has to be renovated and updated. Okay, so as you're coming out of the bathroom, so now we're gonna pan to the right. And this room is where we are currently sleeping and has been sleeping. FYI, the door here on the right is going to be changed to a French door. We're going to open up this room because I've decided that we're going to make this our formal dining room. If you want to get technical, this room does not come with a closet. However, you can use it as a sitting room, family room, or dining room. You make it work for you however you want. Please excuse the mismatched bedding, guys. It is only temporary. Okay, and here one of the nightstands from the dresser set. And these are all going to be painted, chalk painted white. So I'm going to pan to my left, and there is the other nightstand, and that bag in the corner, laundry bag. It has my hubby's everyday work clothes, and they're all nicely folded, clean. And here is the other dressers from the set. Alright, so as I pan back to my left, you can see the front door where we started from. Alright, so I am going to pan all the way to my left, and in this room here is going to be our laundry room. Well, laundry slash mudroom slash storage utility room. Yeah. And this entry door we're going to be changing as well to a French door. Yes, we really want to lighten up this room and make it feel even more spacious. Okay, so as we enter in, this is what we have. And I've decided to use those bifold doors just to hide the water tank behind there. And those bifold doors came from upstairs in one of the bedrooms, which I will be showing you shortly. The washer and dryer are my daughter's. She also have the front loaders in her garage. So when I'm done using these will be going into the garage, and then she will be taking the front loaders upstairs in her house. Okay, so as I move toward the washer and dryer, I am panning to my left, and there you can see the back door, and this is the entry door that we just came in. And behind that door so this room is going to stay as is until we get to this project, and this is not like high on the list at the moment. Lots of projects, guys. All right, so we're gonna head back out, and then we're gonna head upstairs.